beautiful friends, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna already assume you know what affiliate marketing is. If you don't, that's totally okay, but feel free to go check out this video on my channel first before watching this one. But maybe you're feeling stuck, or maybe you're just not getting the results you want yet. So today I'm here to share with you my top 5 tips to help you increase your earnings for affiliate marketing. So if that is something you're interested in, then just keep watching. When I first got started with affiliate marketing, I honestly expected to start promoting a product, get my affiliate link, give it out to the rest of the world, and then make a ton of sales overnight. Because that was my expectation of affiliate marketing based on what I had learned from some of the affiliate marketing gurus out there who were honestly really just interested in making money and not actually interested in teaching people about affiliate marketing and adding value. But when it came to my affiliate earnings right at the beginning, right when I was starting out, jumping into affiliate marketing, I was so excited. Let me tell you, there were crickets. Now, I'm coming on here today because in the past 4 months, I have earned over $600 with affiliate marketing, which is so freaking cool, something I never thought I could achieve, and I have learned a lot of tips and tricks along the way. So, let's dive in. Tip number 1 is spend at least 15 minutes per day learning about your craft. Not only does this help boost creativity and also increases the chances of you meeting and interacting with people in your same niche, but I also think this helps you avoid falling into the trap of saying those deadly words, "I'm doing everything right, why isn't this working for me?" Now, I'm a professional ballroom dancer, and I can't tell you the amount of times I think I've got something down, and then I'll go back and start reviewing the basics of ballroom dance, or the things I learned right when I got started, and I'm like, dang, I forgot about that, or I wasn't doing that all the way, or now I know and understand that 10 times better than I did before. Because the thing is, you guys, we are humans, so there's always going to be something we can improve on. There's always something we can learn more of, and I'm not saying this to discourage you, but essentially when we fall into the trap that I know everything and I'm doing everything right, that is stopping our growth. And as an affiliate marketer, if you're sitting there going, "I'm doing everything right, why isn't this working for me?" then you're not actually taking that opportunity to learn and grow. So there's always new things we can learn. Even if it's expanding upon the things we already know, there's always that opportunity for us to learn even more than we know before. And man, you guys, in this day and age, technology is changing so quickly. And what may work one day on one platform may not work the next. So as an entrepreneur and as an affiliate marketer, you have to stay up to date with all those changes. And the easiest way to do that is spend 15 minutes a day learning about affiliate marketing or your craft, whether it's watching some YouTube videos, reading some blog posts, and this is the easiest way to get out of that rut of where I'm perfect, I don't need to learn anything else, and now you're not growing, and now you're not making any money online. Tip number 2 is improve your sales skills. Sales skills? Man, that is hard to say back to back. Sales skills. Sales skills. When it comes to affiliate marketing, it is not about link barfing. And when I see affiliates who don't take the time to actually get in a conversation with people, actually figure out if the product that they're an affiliate for can actually help them, and just throw the link in front of them saying, "Please buy from me, please buy from me," I just want to slap them in the face. If you are serious about making money, you need to get serious about doing business and treat affiliate marketing as not just this quick, easy way to get some cash, but as an actual business that can bring you a full-time income if you apply the right strategies. You gotta do your research. You gotta learn how to engage and actually talk to people. Start practicing sharing your story with the world, because yes, even if you don't think your story is exciting, someone else is going to find your story exciting. And you gotta learn how to build offers and deliver those offers to people and all that good stuff. I mean, it's called affiliate marketing for a reason. So it might be a good idea to actually learn the marketing side of things. I don't know. I don't want to spend too much time on this at all because I'm really excited for the next tip I'm about to share with you guys. But if you feel like you really need help with marketing, you're like, "I have no clue, but I'm serious and I want to make this a business and I want to make sales online," go check out the One Funnel Away Challenge. It will be linked down in my description below. If you need help with marketing, you need to take this online challenge. But let's get on to the next tip. Tip number 3 is higher ticket, higher commissions. When it comes to choosing products that you are going to be an affiliate marketer for, you've got to ask yourself two questions. The first one is, what is the affiliate marketing commission percentage? And also, what does the product actually cost? So if you don't know what the affiliate marketing commission percentage is, wow, that's a mouthful. What it is when someone buys a product through your link, the company that is providing the product gives you a percentage of the money that the customer spent to buy the product. I would say the average affiliate commission ranges between 20 to 30%. The 30 to 40% range or above is considered a relatively high commission rate, but I know of products out there and companies who offer as low as 2 to 5% commissions on their products. Now, I know I'm throwing at you guys a lot of numbers, a lot of technical babble, but let me see if I can make this a little bit more simple for you guys to understand. Cheaper products with higher commission rates may look really great on paper, but the actual cash you receive as an affiliate marketer may not be as good. For example, let's say you're promoting a product that costs $1,000 with a 5% commission rate. That means when someone buys that product through your link, you're getting $50 as an affiliate marketer per sale. If the product you're promoting is worth $10 with a 70% commission rate, now you're only making $7 per sale. So you can see how not only the commission percentage is really important to look at, but also the price of the actual product. Now, I'm actually an affiliate for this challenge called the One Funnel Away Challenge. I mentioned it before I started talking about this tip, but what's really cool and really honestly kind of crazy is ClickFunnels, which is the company that hosts this online challenge. They offer 100% commissions to any affiliate who promotes the One Funnel Away Challenge. And I have never seen a company give an affiliate 100% commissions. That means the company is not earning any money if people buy this challenge through an affiliate's link. And the challenge costs $100. So as an affiliate, when people buy through your link, you get all of that $100, which is insane. So this is really important because the amount of work you're gonna put into promoting a $100 product versus a $10 product is probably gonna be about the same. But with that $100 product with 100% commissions, you're earning so much more money than you would promoting that $10 product. So if you're looking to make more money and increase your sales with affiliate marketing, this is a great mindset and a great thing to look at when it comes to the products you're choosing to promote. Tip number 4 is audience intent. You got to know what the people actually want. Man, I'm such a dork. It is not just about the product. You guys have got to understand who your customers are and then focus on creating content and putting content out in front of those people who are ready to buy. So in this process of figuring out your audience's intent, you first have to become really super clear on who you want to serve and the kind of customer you want to actually work with. And then you have to pick 1 or 2 platforms that you're going to create content on consistently, because we all know consistency is king. And once you can start getting that feedback, you can see what certain people like or they don't like. Now you can really start to create content that caters to the people you really want to serve, aka your dream customers. And now you're actually helping them solve a problem. You're focusing on them and you're not focusing on how cool your product is, because really they're just looking to get a result and you're here to help them do that. Hashtag do you even entrepreneur. Wow, that really doesn't roll off the tongue. And that tip actually segues perfect into tip number 5. Didn't plan that at all, which is build an audience. Don't be that scammy, annoying affiliate marketer that literally every single person hates, but just focus on giving good education and actually offering value, because by doing that, you're going to build up trust within the people who are following you and engaging with you. And if you are working on posting consistently on 1 or 2 platforms, I think honestly, whatever platform you choose, if you commit to sticking with it and learning about it, then you're going to be successful. But by showing your people that you really do care about them and their success and everything that they're doing, then they're going to follow you and be so invested in your journey. And so when you offer up products or you recommend things, they're going to go and buy those things through your link, because they not only want to support you, but they trust you as well. So there you guys go, my top 5 tips to help you increase your affiliate earnings. And don't worry, you got this. Keep pushing, keep working hard. You are going to achieve your goals. If you guys like this video and you found some value, please feel free to hit that like button and subscribe. It helps support my channel so much, and I put out videos twice a week, so make sure you stay tuned for those. I love you all so much. Have an amazing day, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes.